How to fix Tinder error on Tinder app. If any day you see your Tinder app not working, just follow the following steps and your very problem will be solved. First of all, tap on Tinder for a while. After you tap on Tinder for a while, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the option of I. And after you tap on the option of I, you will see an interface like this. This is the interface of app information. And when you see the interface of app information, just scroll down until you find the option of storage out there. And when you find the option of storage, tap on it. Now check whether there is any cache or not. And if there is any cache, just clear down all the cache by tapping on the icon of clear cache. And after you clear down the cache, now go back. After going back, now go to the option of notification and check whether the notification has been allowed or not. First of all, turn the allow notification option. After that, also turn on allow sound and vibration. You can do as per shown in the screen. After that, you have to go back. And after you go back, go to the option of permissions. After you go to the option of permission, you will see a screen like this. Now you have to check whether all the permission has been allowed or not. Here, only location and notification has been allowed. So go to the camera and tap on allow only while using the app. This way, camera permission has been given. Now go back, go and provide permission to the contacts as well. Again, go back, go and provide the permission to the microphones as well. Go to the option of allow only while using the app. Again, go back and go to the option of photos and videos and tap on allow. This way, all the permission has been provided and you have to check whether there is written no permission denied or not. After doing all of this, now close the settings option and go to your Tinder and check whether your Tinder is working or not. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.